All right, guys, welcome back to another video. I'm super excited. I'm doing a family recipe, my mom's famous Spanish rice. She made it for me last year and I've been wanting to make it for a while, and for some reason I never got around to it, but I was like, I'm at a new house. I want to create her recipe. I have a lot of other recipes as well I want to create. So yeah, let's get this video started. So yeah, I'm super excited. Let's go ahead and try some Spanish rice. So you saw the recipe at the very end. I was tasting, it wasn't that spicy, or I felt like it needed more flavor. So I just added some chili pepper, a little extra chili pepper. So good. Just like what I remember. So this dish is, I think, one of my favorite dish my mom has made for me when I was younger. It's not my favorite, but I really liked her tacos as well. Also, my dad made tacos, she made tacos, so yeah. Today I was looking at recipes on Spanish rice with beef, you know, and like apparently it's a very old recipe, like I think in the 1960s. Somebody on YouTube was saying it's like a church recipe with the beef, but there was actually a cookbook from the 1920s that basically the same ingredients as this one, except for I added some bell pepper and I didn't add the beef. But I think this is it's a budget friendly meal. Simple meal, you know. So good. So I would definitely recommend this recipe if you guys want to try a new recipe that's budget friendly, or just a different recipe. Yeah. I definitely want to add that to my what's for dinner video when the next what's for dinner video I do. Probably really good too. Do you guys have a favorite family recipe? I think my mom made tacos, and one time my mom also used to make homemade bread when I was younger. Oh, she also made this corn creamy soup, or the potato soup. I think it was corn soup. She would make a bunch of corn soup, and for breakfast she would make these sliced potatoes with lots of sliced onion. It was always good as well. She also made black-eyed peas, which that was not my favorite. I did not like black-eyed peas. Also, she made a lot of beans as well, which she made lima beans. I've been wanting to make lima beans. We were kind of poor when we were young, so we had a lot of beans. We had a lot of lima beans as well. At that time, I was like sick of it, but I kind of want to recreate that or make it again. So. I don't know if you can hear that noise upstairs, but it's my neighbor walking. You hear that? Honestly, at first it really bugged me. Like, oh my God, why are you so loud? I think it's because I wasn't used to, once you live in a studio cottage apartment, no shared walls, and you go to an apartment after 6.5 years, it's like a shock. Like, why are you guys so loud? I'm not used to this. But after a month or so, I just got used to it, so I'm buying. I mean, it bugs me sometimes, but not nearly as much when I first moved in here. I'm just used to the noise. I'm just expecting noise. So, but it's not bad at all. But I'm excited. I haven't done a video in a while. I'm excited to do a video. Caesar salad. So good. But yeah. Guys hear that? I don't know if you guys can hear that from the camera. Look. Honestly, it could be a lot worse. There could be kids upstairs, a baby crying. It could be a family cooking all the time. He doesn't even cook. He literally took out his stove, which is mind-blowing. I can't believe he does not cook. He's about my age, a little bit older than me. He's a manager at some kind of like car auto place. Not where I work at, but different place. I'm just shocked he does not cook one meal. Not only it's expensive and very unhealthy. I cannot eat out every day. I'm so glad I know how to cook, and I'm so good. I'm pretty good at cooking. I definitely, since moving here, since I have a bigger kitchen, I definitely want to cook a lot more food for you guys and new recipes. I want to do more pasta recipes. I want to do like one of my favorite videos on YouTube, that cooking videos. Her name is Julie Pacheco, I think. And she just really easy recipe. She gets to the point. I love when people get to the point. They're like not rambling about their life. Like in the cooking video, get to the point. I don't know. She's just really good at that. I want to try some recipes look really good. I might be making tacos next week. Today's Monday, by the way. So I saw this in Walmart a few days ago, and I've been craving crunchy tacos like this. It's called nacho cheese shells. Looks so good, right? So I might make that next Monday. I feel like the weekend's super big. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, oh my God, the big news. I got a couch. I got a love seat. I'm super excited, guys. So if you're new, I've been doing moving vlogs. So I'm going to show, if you guys aren't interested in my moving process of my vlogs, I'll leave the description down below. I have another channel where I just vlog my life. Weekly vlogs, moving vlogs. So I got a couch. I went to this furniture store actually the same furniture store I got my bed in my old place. They're like a family business. My sister recommended them too. She's like, hey, you should just negotiate the price. You should ask for $100 off. So it was basically $700 for a recliner. So that was like a love seat recliner, and $700 if you wanted also a couch. And I was like, no, I'm gonna start small. I'm just gonna get the love seat, and then maybe when I can afford it, I'll get a couch later. Guess I don't have a lot of people coming over, you know. And me and my sister were walking, and after we saw that, and she's like, Karen, are you gonna get this love seat? She's like, Karen, are you gonna get the couch too? And I'm like, oh, I didn't even know that was an option. I wasn't even looking at the couch. I was just focused on the love seat. I was like, maybe I will. Maybe I should do it all together just so it gets out of the way, you know? And she's like, you know what, Karen, you should negotiate. They're really good at that, you know. Ask for $100 off. Are you sure? They're already on sale. They're already on sale. The love seat's really cool. It has these 2 cups for holders. You can put your coffee or tea or drinks or whatever. It has this other thing where you can put like supplies. I'm like, okay. She already said I'm gonna get free shipping if I do it today. Like, I I'll try. I was a little nervous. I thought, would you take $100 off? She's like, we could do 85 and free shipping. Okay, sure. Perfect. Sold. So that's how that worked out. And yeah. So I'm super excited. For that. And then the next day was Sunday. One of my coworkers wanted to give me an antique table. Also like a TV stand. It could be a TV stand, it could be a furniture set. But I think if right now it's facing me, but it would fit perfectly for a TV. And actually, because my TV right now is really small compared to the big TV stand, I might get a bigger TV. Actually, I might get it this weekend. So movie day is expensive, guys. Well, it's like I want all this stuff, and I don't want to live at an apartment and not get everything I want. I don't know. I mean, I also want a sound bar for my TV, because I have a little mini sound bar in the TV in my bedroom. The sound's perfect. The room's small. I mean, it's just a small. You have a door, but this living space is pretty big. So the TV and the sound bar, it's hard to hear. I'm thinking I'm either too far from the TV or it's just too big of a space where I just can't, so I might get a better soundbar. So I don't know. I might get a soundbar later though, I don't know. Because everything's adding up. But yeah, at first I lived here, I had a lot of issues with getting the keys. My car was towed, but now everything's kind of like normal now. Like it feels okay to be here. Like, it feels fine. Like no issues. It just feels like before when I used to live here. Yeah, so this weekend, like last weekend was the first time I sat on the couch. I was editing on the couch, just relaxing. It was really nice. I have sometimes hear noises, but yeah. Anyways, yeah, it's really nice to have a couch. The last time I had my own couch was 15 years ago, a very long time. So I hope I can stay here for a long time. It is a condo, and things could happen. A condo owner could die, like my last condo owner. She passed away, so I would have had to move. But I know I got a good deal on this. This apartment is a really good deal for the size and the scenery and the amenities. It's just a really good deal. Down the street, there's this apartment, more expensive. Washer and dryer was more expensive. Also, yeah, was more expensive, but I wasn't feeling it. The girl had a dog with her. She was showing me the place, and the dog was barking. It is not professional, And also, she wasn't answering my texts right away, and I was like, I'm here. And she wasn't really answering me. It took her a while to answer me. And the place wasn't very nice. The bathtub was dirty, and it just wasn't, this is definitely a lot nicer than that place. And more expensive. And that place didn't even have a guest parking. So if my mom wanted to see me, or my nephew, how about they come and see me? We'd have to go down the street to find parking, she says. It's crazy. So, I'm gonna go down this one. Yeah, I'm so glad I am back. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you ever had Spanish rice like this with the beef. This is an older recipe, so maybe your parents made this for you. Like me, like my parents. I really like this dish a lot. I don't know why, but I'm not even a big rice eater. I don't know why. I guess the flavor is kind of almost like eating pasta with the red sauce, but let me know. I recommend this recipe. I hope you guys give it a try, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.